KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KD Fix 418 is your fixer for 18 gigabit per second related signal and connectivity issues in HDMI digital video professional applications. KD Fix 418 has a small form factor with a USB powering option that allows you to connect to the devices that are already in the rack, so it doesn't take any more space with the wall wart power supply. You have the ability to force hot plug detection control. You have the ability to set the desired handshake so that you, the integrator, can choose and what to inform the source to output. The full buffer system handles all the software authentication to the source, to the display, and the big benefit of the Fix 418 is it can be a pass-through for 18 gigabit per second signals, or it can down convert 18G signals to 10.2 gigabits per second, therefore enabling it to send signals into existing systems that maybe were installed, purchased, etc. before the change in the HDMI specification to 18 gigabits per second signals. So there's many benefits that make Fix 418 the product that all AV integrators, professionals, should have in their van at all times. For more information on Fix 418, you head over to KeyDigital.com. KeyDigital's KD MLV 4x2 Pro is a seamless matrix multi-viewer ideal for bar restaurant, conference room applications, and even high-end home theater applications where you're looking to deliver a sports bar experience on a single screen. MLV 4x2 Pro is not like the one-trick pony products out there where you only have quad screen ability. In addition to quad screen, we can set a primary image on the top, bottom, left, or right. We can also rotate your selected sources for the primary window, and you could even go full screen mode and seamlessly switch from one source to the next. Additionally, with MLV 4x2 Pro, you have many custom features. You could have a bezel line, that frame that you see here, from 0, so non-existent, to 9 pixels large in any color of the RGB rainbow. And you even have a custom web GUI for control, as well as the option to control it through the KeyDigital app or any professional third-party control system and Compass Control Pro. KD MLV 4x2 Pro, 2 outputs. One is via HDMI, the other is via HD-Base-T. That receiver's in the box, making a near and far monitor situation a breeze. And 2 of the 4 inputs have legacy VGA input connections, once again making it ideal for classroom and conference room type applications. For more information on MLV 4x2 Pro, you know where to go, KeyDigital.com. KeyDigital's Compass Control Pro is the software brain to the hardware solution that KeyDigital has been known for 20 years. Compass Control Pro was the first major control system launched to use iOS as the brain for the platform. So network language is native. TCP/IP control over the network is done without using any ports from the available master control hardware. But what separates KeyDigital's Compass Control Pro from the other apps on the market is that it's the product, the brainchild of a company with a 20-year hardware background. So devices that require infrared or RS-232 control are all controlled via one of the multiple master controller options that KeyDigital offers. MC1000 is a 7-port master controller with an additional 3-port relay. CX800 is a 3-port master controller for IR, RS-232, and voltage devices with a built-in dual-port LAN so you can cascade your network connections and power it over PoE. KD Pro 8x8D is an 8x8 HDMI HD-based T-Matrix with 37 control ports built in. It's already there for you to use. All you have to do is take advantage of the training and invest in how to program compass control. And IP922 is an HD-based is a AV over IP encoder and decoder, 1 per video source, 1 per video display, with 3 control ports built in, just like the CX800. Programming can be fully custom or drag and drop to achieve these beautiful GUIs for your application that have been tested and proven in conference room, residential, bar, restaurant, classroom, house of worship, government applications, and more. These drag and drop GUIs are configured so easily with Compass Control's modular programming version 2.0. So there you have it, the hardware, the software. You can learn about everything at KeyDigital.com.